Picture this. You pull up to the car wash, and it's not just any wash, it's a cinematic experience. As I step out, the scent of fresh soap fills the air. The first step? A thorough rinse where high-pressure jets blast away dirt and grime, revealing the car's true color beneath layers of road dust. Next, the foam cannon comes into play, draping my car in a thick, bubbly blanket. It's like a spa day for my vehicle. I grab the wash mitt, gliding it over the surface, feeling the smoothness beneath. Each stroke is a dance, ensuring every inch is pampered. Then comes the rinse, where the water cascades off, taking the soap and dirt with it. Now it's time for the wax. This is where the magic happens. A quick application, and suddenly my car shines like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Finally, the blow dryers kick in, blasting away any lingering water, leaving my car spotless and gleaming. It's not just a wash, it's a transformation, turning my ride into a head turner. That's the cinematic car wash procedure, and it's an experience every car owner should indulge in. Please, to get sample report copy regarding car wash market, please visit link in description. Thank you.